Hi, I'm Brandy, this is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be, it's not really an unboxing, but I just wanted to share you guys. I haven't opened anything, I just got this flap down because it's got our addresses on it. But anyways, I have been wanting to get a bone throwing kit for a very, very long time, probably a couple years. I saw a bone throwing kit once on Pinterest and it struck me as something like familiar, even though I had never known such a thing in my conscious life so far. And I knew I wanted one at one time, and I knew that the opportunity would present itself and I would just, go with it then. You guys know I love Anita Apothecary. Maria over at Anita Apothecary is a super talented witch. She has really wonderful items. I buy her boxes the second I can. But basically, she had hinted that she would be doing a bone throwing kit at some point, and I was super intrigued, but I hadn't heard anything about it because, she crafts, she wild crafts, she gathers what she can, like she makes all of her candles and everything, like she's working hard and seasonally. So I was just going to wait for her to make some kind of announcement about it. And then I saw the announcement. She was going to have a flash sale for her birthday. By the way, happy birthday, Marie. And if you spend so much money, you get a candle. Plus, also in that thing, she's like, there's new items. And I saw that the bone throwing kit was going to be on there. There was only 5 available. So I set an alarm and I literally got up in the middle of the freaking night to make sure I got one of these bone throwing kits. And so this is it. I want you guys to be with me. Let's do this. I'm super excited. I save these and I repurpose them, so don't worry. They're not going into an ocean anytime soon. I use them. Let me just get some of them out of the way. So this is one thing. I'm not going to open it yet because I want you guys to see it. But I also, here's another thing. Oh my God. Marie, this candle is freaking huge. This thing here, this beautiful, enormous thing. Let me make sure there's nothing else. I didn't purchase anything else and I'm not expecting anything else, but and something else. See, that's why you... Okay, so let me put all these little... What is it? Christopher Michaels, who's also doing unboxings. You guys should totally check him out. He calls these like ghost farts or something. It's really funny. Okay, so these are all the items. Oh my God. So one of these, she gave away a candle for free, and I was like, I don't know. For some reason, I thought 12 ounce would be like the standard size of her candles in her boxes. But for some reason, this feels bigger. This feels bigger. Let me see. Maybe this isn't the candle, but it's got to be. It's got to be the candle. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. Okay. I'm trying to... You guys, I'm also no fun at Christmas. Because I want to save the wrapping paper. Okay. So, the stipulation for the free candle is that she got to pick. Oh, I'm messing it up. I have never seen this candle. I know what it is because she told me she was going to send me one. Oh, it's so beautiful. Anita Apothecary throwing the bones, the bone reader's ritual candle. Oh, look. Little skull, little pumpkin, little shell. Wow. Ooh, and it smells like, I don't know, cocoa butter. I don't know. Very, very cool. Thank you, Marie. Wow. So that part was free with purchase on her birthday. It was a flash sale. If you don't follow her, you should follow her. She's on Instagram and Facebook. Although I'm going to kind of step away from Facebook. I'm not really digging what the company is doing. I mean, I'll probably still have a presence, but I'm going to try and keep most of my stuff to Instagram. Ooh, what is this? I don't know. Thank you. You're welcome. Hey, it's okay to say you're welcome. Bone Reader Ritual Oil. I think this comes with the kit. Because they need a certain amount of maintenance. Ooh, it smells good. I'm also either going to purchase or make some Florida water because I know I've got to buy a good book. I'm looking for recommendations. If you know a good book on bone throwing, please let me know. Because I'm looking for recommendations. I'm being called to do this on a deep spiritual level, but I still don't have any experience. What am I looking at here? Aww, Marie. My son's gonna love this. Thank you for your support. Enjoy a cup of apricot tea. Love, Marie and Anita. Oh, so sweet. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And now for the main event. I'm so excited. And I just can't hide it. I can't grab that. I don't want to rip it. I just want to loosen it. Okay, I'll try loosening it. I'm going to have to get into physical therapy to help me with these little dexterity things that I can't do very easily on my left hand anymore. Okay, there we go. There we go. There we go. Go, go. Go, 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 go. Ooh, I hear you. I'm sorry. I'm not trying to jostle you. Okay, I'm so excited. Okay. I'm just going to rip this one. There we go. Oh. Okay, so I'm feeling warm in the back of my neck. So pay attention to things, how things make you feel physically. Okay, so very beautiful box. Pretty big. I think my hand from here to here is like 7.5 inches, so maybe it's just under that. 7. I got a little knife. Actually, I probably should just peel that off. I am such a dum-dum. Let me peel it off. Okay? Now it's peeling off in pieces. Okay. Alright. Hello? Hello? Oh my god. Shell. Dice. Bone. Not sure which bone. Shell. Shell. Is it a femur? Bone. Bone. Long bone. I think this is a raccoon baculum. Look that up. Yeah. You're so beautiful. Hello. This might be a vertebrae or a tailbone. Rose quartz. Lunakite. This is a hawthorn. It is sharp. Sharp. I think she calls this devil's nut. This is a bone. This is a bone. Bone. No, that's not. This is a devil's nut. This is it. That's what I thought. Wow, so cool. Shell. Domino. Domino. A little pumpkin. A little skull. Cowrie shell. Several cowrie shells. These are all cowrie shells. This is a snail. Not sure what that is. If it's a, maybe adventuring? No. Oh, it's a claw. Bird's. It's a bird's claw. A talon, I guess I should say. This is a small bone. These are all little bones. It's a beautiful shell. Tiny bones. A coin. I'm at this and I'm not sure what this one is. Some more. A little tiny vertebrae. And another. Wow. So cool. I'm really, really excited. So basically, what you do is you have, some people throw it on the ground, but typically there's like a mat or something with a circle or however you want to do. But the idea that I have in my head, and granted I'm going to have to do a little bit of research to make sure that you know I'm on the right track, is that I would get a pelt. I was hoping for a deer pelt, but my husband hasn't got one this year. Or a rabbit. Wow, dog. You draw a circle on it, and then you know, give your bones a little shake, speak to them, warm them, wake them up, and give them a toss, and the way that they fall should tell you something. Ooh, am I gonna close it? No. I gotta close it carefully. I don't want to hurt anybody. And it's just a good divination form for using your intuition, learning to read signs, and I've always been drawn to it. So I'm really excited to have this opportunity. It's not very mainstream. It's not, from what I know, very popular. I'm going to have to work with them and love on them and give them so much attention. And I will be doing that, but privately, because you guys know how I feel about sharing spell work. I feel comfortable sharing them with you because they are brand new. They don't know me yet. But basically, you know, I intend to journal. You should feed them. You should, you know, give them your energy. And there'll be more on that. Maybe I'll speak to more of that once I've got myself situated and got my feelings down. And I'm really excited. This is so beautiful. I know this is a long video with just me rambling. I have ideas. So this isn't set in stone. This is just a starter kit. You put things in that you want. You take things out that you don't want. Things that resonate with you. I have a list of things that I want to add to it, and I have a list of things that I want to, how I want to use it. But it's good. It's supposed to be really good for building your intuition, your psychic abilities, and so I'm really interested in that. This is beautiful. I'm so happy and excited. Thank you so much, Marie. I bought this, and these items came with it from a flash sale, so I'm really, really excited. I cannot wait to get to know this and to work with it, and I'm really excited. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys, number one, if you guys have any recommendations, please. I would love a book. I think Euron would. As a really popular one, and I think I'll check that out. Check out her book, and let me know. As always, please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I love it. I'm so excited, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.